How to stop sharing a file in OneDrive. If you have been using the OneDrive application and wondering on how to stop sharing a file, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the OneDrive application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now find the shared file or folder. Navigate to the file or folder you previously shared. Here you can find the shared option right here. Tap on it, and from here you can simply see the files or folder that you have shared before. After that, tap the three dots next to the file. For now, I haven't shared any files, that's why it is showing just like this. So if you can simply tap the three dot lines next to the file or folder. Then tap Manage Access. Then you will see a list of people the file is shared with, shared links that were created. Then, to stop all sharing, do one of the following. Tap the shared link and choose Delete Link to disable public access, or tap the person's name, remove access to stop individual sharing. And after that, simply confirm when prompted. Sharing will be stopped immediately. Then your file or folder will no longer be accessible to anyone else unless you reshare it. And that's it. This is how you can stop sharing a file in OneDrive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.